Break time! Spaghetti? Boys, gusto niyo ng spaghetti? Are you competing with me?
Are you chatting?
Bring it on.
My spaghetti has sauce made with freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountains of Italy. What about yours?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidants, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, antibiotic with glutathione and silimarin extract with ginkgo biloba. But wait, there's more. Chicken lollipops made with bouncy fresh spring chicken deep fried in olive oil.
It's all that you have? Chicken lollipops? Like what the heck? Have some dessert that I concocted.
Concocted?
Oh yes! It's coconut cream with glutinous rice ball and fresh ripe junk fruit.
Chusera, ginataang bilo-bilo lang to, no? Pinapakain pag mahal na araw sa pabasa. Like, ew, so jologs.
How dare you?
How dare you dairy me like a dairy queen?
I'm not there. I'm here. Duh.